Hey friends, if Wi-Fi ceases to work on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to turn off the airplane mode. When you click on the system tray, you'll notice the sign for airplane mode here. If it is in blue, then the airplane mode is activated. If it is not in blue, then it is not activated. The second solution is to connect to the 2.4 GHz network. Now I'll explain you why. So I always connect to the 5G network, but it is not necessarily the best. The 5G network has a lower range, though it has a stronger signal but a lower range. So if your computer is too far from the router, then prefer the 2.4 GHz network. And even more, if you are in a different room, like you are behind a wall and the router is a wall apart from you, then the 2.4 GHz network penetrates deeper into the walls. The next solution is the network adapter troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab. In the right pane, scroll down, click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and wait for it to load. Click on run corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. The next solution is to enable the adapter. Now how do we do this? Press the Windows key and the R button together, type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and then we can click on enable if it is disabled, like it is written disabled right here. Okay, I'll show it on a different network because I don't use the Ethernet network, but since it's in cross, that's why. If you right click on it, you'll get an option to enable it. The next solution is to update the network adapter drivers. So search for a device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list of network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The last solution is a network reset. And how do we perform a network reset? So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu and go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings, network reset, and then click on network reset here to reset the network to default. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.